up, my beautiful people? Hold on. What's up, my beautiful people? It is your girl Victoria, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I know it's been a while, but I think it's time that we bring back good old Smokey. Now, I just wanted to show you all a couple of things that I have in my car. Some things you may have seen in everybody else's cars, and some things that may be an inspiration to you on thinking, hey, you never know, I may need that. So let's get started. So the first area we're going to start off with is the trunk. Now, in this trunk, you will see, like I said, stuff that normal people have, but you know, my mom and I, we are not normal people. So to start off with, you always have your blankets, just a regular toolbox to just carry some tools that you will need. We also have little odds and ends. Definitely always carry a can that you can carry gasoline in. This can hold at least 1 gallon. You can always find that at the auto stores or Walmart. We also have a nice heated cushion I received for Christmas. My mom does not really like the car to be hot all the time, so I just think that was a nice gift she got me. We also have a small shovel just in case if it snows or I just need to hurry up and dig myself out anywhere if I ever get snowed in. This bad boy right here is actually a vacuum cleaner. You can just plug that into your little cigarette outlet, and just even if you want to give your car a quick vacuum and to keep a minimalist lifestyle that I'm trying to do, I just have random bags in here just so that way I have a way of saving the environment, but also, you know, just not waste. Now, as for going in to the car, we're just going to see what I have starting from the back seat. And in the back seat, I keep it very minimal, try not to have a whole lot of stuff in here. And we're starting in. Going first, I have 2 little DVD monitors, just so that way whenever I do have my friends ride around, they can at least watch a movie. These clips I found on Amazon.com, which is holding my purse off the ground, because ladies, let's admit, we don't really want, you know, stuff that's been on the ground touching the seats. I have a small little ice box that you can plug into your cigarette lighter in the car just to keep some drinks cold, you know, for when I have my long road trips. So inside, so on the right side of the car, I always keep a clear tackle box in here. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with this, I actually used another one in my girls trip video, which I will leave a link in the description box below if you all can see. I used the first one to organize my makeup, but this time around, we're using this just to hold toiletry items. You know, you always have extra razor blades. Ladies always keep some type of feminine products, hair care products, just in case if I ever have to just go somewhere for an evening, or even if I'm just stranded and just have to get a hotel for the night. I do have some things that I just have just to make sure I keep myself fresh. I also recommend that you keep, especially in the spring and summertime, just to protect your dashboard, a window shield. Like I said, it saves you a ton of money on having to replace your dashboard. And if you're like me, who is a person with a lot of medications, always keep a list of emergency contacts and your medications and doctors, just in case, God forbid, you ever have to go to the hospital, or even if you're out on a doctor's appointment and you need to update them on your records, you have your list right here. So now in front of the car, I'm going to start over here at the driver's door. Always keep some mints and an umbrella just in case it may rain whenever you're out and about, because you know we're in the summertime now and rainy days just come and go. Now I also found this on Amazon, which I like. These are called space fillers. I do like these because you can easily just put something in here and it will not go into the car's Bermuda Triangle, as I like to call it. I also have little cups in here for Mom and I, just in case if we ever want to grab something while we're out or we need just extra cups. I also recommend that you keep tissues, because especially if you are like me and just have allergies year round, got something to easily wipe your little boogie with. Another item I recommend that you have in your car is this little 7-in-1 safety toolkit. I love the fact that you do not need to charge it. It is all hand cranked right here by this little handle. You can also, it also has a flashlight and a strobe light just in case if you need to use it as an emergency. It also comes with a USB port, so that way you do have a way to charge your cell phone in case of an emergency. It comes with a seatbelt slasher just in case if you need to hurry up and get out of your seat. Plus this little red handle, this little red hammer, you lift it up and it's a strong piece of steel that will break a window just in case if you need to climb out that way. The cool thing about this is all you have to do is just stick this to your car, and if you are in a hurry on changing your tire or if you need to find something in the dark that you accidentally dropped. So also in the glove compartment, I have a mini flashlight, lint rollers, and because this is what I say the best thing about having Lupus is that I have my little handicap parking spot, parking pass right here. In this bag, it has little odds and ends like pens or deposit slips, pieces of paper just so I can take quick notes, or even the car information. Here we have this little compartment where I just hold my glasses in there. I just like the way how this car has extra storage in here. And moving down here to the middle of the seats, I should have shown this earlier, but I also keep it very minimal in here, and I just have an extra charger for this USB port and my aux cord that connects to the car. Over here to the, also have over here a little CD holder, because sometimes you may not want to listen to stuff on the radio and you just want to be old school and just pop in a CD and just have a nostalgia moment. So the last thing I wanted to show you all in this car, like I said in the beginning of this video, I said some things normal people have in their car, but again, my mom and I are not normal. We have on both sides of the cars sticks just in case I have to go upside somebody's head. Safety first, people, safety first. So I hope you all like what you see in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments what you all think. What do you all think needs to go in this car, or what probably may need to be taken out? Hopefully you guys are having a good one, and I will see you all later. Bye.